Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on your Chromebook Unblocked. We'll cover two main approaches, using Android apps for the Bedrock edition and leveraging the Linux environment for the Java edition. Both methods offer a fantastic way to enjoy the game, whether you prefer the cross-platform play of Bedrock or the extensive modding capabilities of Java. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you can start building and exploring in no time. First, let's look at playing the Bedrock edition using Android apps. Many modern Chromebooks have access to the Google Play Store. Simply open the Play Store, search for Minecraft, and you'll find the official Bedrock edition. After purchasing and installing it, the game will appear in your app launcher, ready to play. This method is straightforward and offers a seamless experience, often taking less than 5 minutes to set up if your device is compatible. Next, for the Java edition, we'll use the Linux development environment. Go to your Chromebook settings, find Developers, and enable Linux. Once set up, open the Linux terminal. Download the official Minecraft Java Edition Debian package from the Minecraft website. Then, use a simple command in the terminal to install it. This process typically takes about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your internet speed and device performance, but it unlocks the full Java experience. To ensure the best experience, optimize your setup. For Java Edition via Linux, allocate at least 4 GB of RAM to your Linux container in the settings. Always close other demanding applications to free up system resources. Within Minecraft, adjust video settings like render distance and graphics quality to find a balance between visuals and smooth gameplay. For Java players, performance mods can significantly boost frame rates, making your adventures even more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.